Have you ever wondered how different species in nature coexist and even support each other's survival? It's a fascinating phenomenon known as symbiosis, where two distinct species live together and mutually benefit. Stay tuned as we delve into the surprising world of symbiotic relationships in nature. Symbiosis, a Greek word meaning living together, is a close and long-term biological interaction between two different species. But what does that really mean? Well, imagine sharing your home with a friend. You both live in the same space, but how you interact can differ. You might both help each other out, making life easier. This is like mutualistic symbiosis. Or maybe your friend benefits from your stocked fridge while you don't mind sharing. This is similar to commensalistic symbiosis. However, imagine if that friend never chips in for groceries, yet continues to eat your food. Not so fair, right? This is akin to parasitic symbiosis, where one organism benefits at the expense of the other. Symbiosis in all its forms is a fascinating game of give and take, an intricate dance of codependence and survival. Now, isn't that an amazing way of coexisting? But how does it look in the real world? Let's explore some examples. Opening. The natural world is full of wonderful examples of symbiotic relationships. Let's dive into a few of these marvels of nature. The relationship between bees and flowers is a classic example. Bees flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar for honey. As they do, they dust themselves with pollen, which they then carry to the next flower, aiding in the plant's reproduction. It's a beautiful dance, where bees get their sustenance and flowers get a helping hand in propagation. Now, let's swim to the vibrant world beneath the waves. Here we find clownfish and sea anemones in a fascinating partnership. The clownfish makes its home among the deadly tentacles of the sea anemone, which keeps predators at bay. In return, the clownfish drives off polyp-eating intruders and even brings tidbits of food to its host. It's a perfect underwater alliance. Finally, we have the unlikely friends, birds and cattle. Ever seen birds perched on a cow's back? They're not just hitching a ride. These birds feast on ticks and other parasites, giving the cattle much-needed relief. The cattle, in turn, stir up insects as they graze, providing a buffet for their feathered companions. Closing. These examples show us the beautiful harmony that exists in nature. So, we've learned that symbiosis is a fascinating aspect of nature where two different species coexist and support each other's survival. In this journey, we've seen how bees and flowers, clownfish and sea anemones, and even wolves and ravens embody this intricate dance of mutual benefit. These relationships remind us of the interconnectedness of life, reinforcing the vital role symbiosis plays in maintaining the balance of nature. Now, here's a question for you. Can you think of any other examples of symbiotic relationships in nature? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.